What's up, guys? We are in the final days of the triple, the Foxcast media giveaway, where there's not just one winner but three winners. So in the final days, and let me tell you guys, you don't want to sleep on this one. So guys, of the three winners, here are the three prizes on this giveaway. You're going to have your choice of Dakota Digital Dash, whether it be for like a 4i, for Aero Car, your New Edge guys. You're going to get your choice of your Dakota Digital Dash. Also, with that, you're going to get the easy installation kit by New Rad Solutions. And guys, if you've seen anything about New Rad, that's going to make your installation a ton easier and a ton more simple and give it a lot cleaner look. Also, guys, we've got a total package from Fiddle Fart Fabrication. And you guys, you see where I'm filming this at down here. I've kind of been saving this stuff up because I've been collecting stuff from Fiddle Fart myself. So I thought, why not get my stuff out to show you guys that I've been buying from Fiddle Fart Fabrication, show you guys some of my stuff from my custom interiors. So these are some of the things that you're also going to be able to get if you win in this triple. Guys, we all like our under the hood fastener kit. That's really going to dress up the under the hood. We've got our custom hood hinges. That's something that he's really known by. Also, the ones that are going to be in this giveaway will actually have the struts as well, if you so choose. Those can even be added to these if you've already purchased these. There's going to be a few other things because I don't have everything he has. You basically get the choice of his whole catalog. So, of course, we've got our hatch striker. We've got our door strikers. We've got our wiper covers. We've got our bumper support brackets. Man, these things look so much better than the stock ones. Look at these door seals, guys. Look at these door seals. These are super nice, man. Very nice. And these are held on by magnets, by the way. So you screw this on, then these go in there and held on by a magnet. And of course, also we got your custom door panels with the grills. Check this out. You can different colors. We can go black. We can go silver. We got different types of inserts here. So guys, check that out. That's just a few of the things. So a ton of value in all the stuff that you can get from Fiddle Fart Fabrication. And last but not least, guys, and I'll put a clip when I did the install with Fox locks. And guys, the Fox locks is really a game changer when it comes to doing your keyless entry, also with a modern key fob as well for your Fox body Mustang. Look at that, guys. Bam. Sweet. Pretty dang cool. So check that out. The Fox locks is a really cool ad, and the installation on that could not be any easier. Now guys, I also want to add, so why am I filming down here? You've never seen me film down here before. This is our small business. This is where we're doing everything for Foxcast Media, also 417 Fox, several others. This is where we do everything. You want hats, we got hats. We keep our hoodies over here. Guys, we do everything right here now. So this isn't like some of those big, huge giveaway where there's thousands and thousands of people entering. This is part of the Fox body community, and you guys will be, I mean, really in the grand scheme of things, they're very small comparatively. And we like that because we're a small community. So guys, I love that you guys keep supporting this small community. Go get your chance to win. Go to the Foxcast /shop and go check out all the cool merchandise that we're going to make, well, right here.